Zhou Bin from central China's Hunan province is a project inspector of China Construction 5th Engineering Division Corporation Limited. He started off as a bricklayer and went on to win the medallion for excellence in bricklaying in the World Skills Competition held in Brazil in 2015, setting a record for China in this field. In 2018, he was elected as a grassroots NPC deputy and has become an ardent advocate for migrant workers.
这个前面6年以来啊，我都是也提交了这个10多份建议，大部分啊还是围绕我们这个农民工群体建筑行业这个领域啊来提交的这个建议，让更多的这个农民工有这种提高自己的平台。
Zhou valued his chance to advocate for more chances that could turn industrious blue-collar craftsmen into skillful technicians powered by a sense of accomplishment and dignity.
未来啊，必将是更多的这种高素质啊、高技能和人工巧匠的人才的涌现啊，为这个建筑行业的高质量发展啊奠定人才基础。